Your heart will work like a clock. The morning recipe that restores life to your heart. Your heart will work like a clock. That's the promise of this recipe. If your heart sometimes beats unevenly, if climbing stairs leaves you breathless, this recipe is for you. Forget quick fixes. True healing starts not in the pharmacy, but in your kitchen, with this powerful recipe that makes your heart work like a clock again. This recipe isn't just food. It's a morning ritual of renewal. Each spoonful helps your heart work like a clock, calm, steady, and strong. It's safe for most people, gentle on the body, and filled with nutrients that naturally support heart health. The only exception? Those with diabetes or honey allergies should check with their doctor first. You'll need just 7 gifts of nature for this heart-healing recipe. Dried apricots, the heart's potassium fuel that makes your heart work like a clock. Raisins, sweet energy that balances calcium, keeping your heart working like a clock. Prunes, the gentle cleaners that remove cholesterol so your heart works like a clock. Figs, nature's secret to smooth blood flow. With them, your heart will work like a clock. Walnuts, full of omega-3s that keep vessels young, making your heart work like a clock. Lemon with peel, rich in antioxidants that protect every cell and help your heart work like a clock. Raw honey, the golden binder of this recipe, sending strength straight to your heart so it works like a clock. To prepare this recipe, take about 200 grams of each dried fruit and nut. Soak, dry, and grind them through a meat grinder, never a blender. Add 1 lemon with peel and 200 grams of natural honey. Stir until smooth. That's it. Your heart will work like a clock with this recipe in your fridge. Take 1 tablespoon 3 times a day, 30 minutes before meals. Let it melt slowly in your mouth. That's how the recipe delivers its magic directly to your bloodstream, helping your heart work like a clock from the inside out. After a few weeks on this recipe, you'll feel lighter, stronger, and more alive. Your breathing will deepen, your heartbeat will steady. Your heart will work like a clock once more. Remember, this recipe isn't about speed. It's about harmony. Each day it rebuilds your inner rhythm, your calm, your energy. And every time you take a spoonful, repeat these words to yourself. My heart will work like a clock, because with this recipe, it truly will.